What's up, guys? Michael Hicks here with Mike Does, week 3, episode 3 of my weight loss series. Feeling good. I've hit most of my numbers this week. Working through that, trying to finish up and wrap up the week. I'm going to have to figure out a different way to plan my off day. So going into this week, I had gone 13 days straight, or 14 days straight, I guess, without missing my swim or my bike. And so I took Friday off and got my walking in, but I didn't do any swim or bike that day. Should have planned ahead because I had meetings on Saturday and Sunday that took up most of the day, so that didn't allow me to get to the gym on Sunday for the pool because they were only open during the times I was at the meeting. So I had to rethink that. Ended up I was able to go to Planet Fitness that night and get my bike in, and I got my walking in, but I was not able to get that swim in that day, so they put me an hour behind on my swim for the week. And then I had an issue one day where I wasn't able to get the bike in, and I don't remember what that was caused by. I had a couple Zoom calls I had to take late at night, and by the time they were done, I just wasn't I thought it was only 20 minutes that I was short. I got 40 minutes of it in that morning, so I was shy 20 minutes on finishing that up. So I've made up the bike by just riding 5 minutes extra every day and got that in. But the swim, I'm still 20 minutes shy of finishing that up. I got my hour in this morning, so I'm going to come back and try to get my swim in tonight. So if you'll remember, last week we weighed in at 325.2 for our ending weight for last week, so that'll be our starting weight for this week. I'm excited about that number. I'm hoping to break into the teens this week. Last week was a smaller number. Typically I'll go 4 or 5 pounds one week and 7 or 8 the next when I'm really focusing. So last week being 5 pounds on the dot, I'm expecting a little more this week, so we'll see where that lands. Tomorrow morning. I didn't video a lot this week. It's been a really hectic week, and I just haven't had time to get my camera out. I intended on doing a few hikes and posting some content around those, and it just like every day when I went to get out there was a maintenance issue that needed taken care of. I had to thaw out pipes today. It was like 20 degrees last night, and a couple of our guests didn't drip the water like we'd asked, or they got up this morning and turned it off and it was still below freezing, so they immediately froze up. So I had to deal with that. Today there were some other issues I had to take care of yesterday, so I just didn't get to do the hikes like I wanted to. Every day I got over there and ended up having to oh yeah, my wife's sunroof popped on her last night. She's just driving down the road and it just shattered. So I had to go home, help her get it in the garage and clean out the garage to where we could get it inside and take care of that. So just always something. So I thought, well, I need to get up earlier and get after it. So this morning I got up at 5, got my swim in, but we have men's group at 7. So it was a 40-minute drive to that. So after I got my swim in, I went over there and then came back over here for a haircut and then thawed pipes, and now I'm getting to the gym to do my strength workout, meet with a trainer on that. So that's an hour that I don't get, and then I have a Zoom call at 6:30 to 7:30. So as soon as I finish that Zoom call, I'll be back at the gym at 8. Get that 20 minutes swim in, and I still have an hour of bike to do, and I still have my walk to do. So it's going to be a long evening, probably be 11 o'clock before I finish, and then we'll go over our numbers, and then we'll see you guys in the morning for a weigh-in. See you guys in a little bit. Wrap up this week's workout. I got about 18 more minutes of this swim, and that'll be done with all the timing requirements that I have for this week, all 12 hours of bike or swim. I can't wait to get out of this breaststroke and start doing some freestyle. I just don't have the stamina yet, so I'm gonna try to hopefully start adding in some freestyle, and maybe do a lap of freestyle and then 2 or 3 laps of breaststroke, a lap of freestyle, and then start trying to increase my freestyle just to the point where I can do a triathlon or a marathon or a swimming event. And then I also want to start jogging and running when I get under that 300-pound mark. I don't know why that means anything, but I feel like the foot pain and the joint pain will be a lot less by then, I hope. But yeah, let's go get the rest of this workout, and we'll see you in the morning at weigh-in. All right, let's take a look at our week. Friday was the off day. 3.05 miles, 10,103 steps. That was good. Saturday we had 1 hour swim, 1 hour bike. That was good. 3 miles, 13,588 steps. And Sunday was the day I had a meeting. Ended up with 40 minutes of bike. That was good. 3 miles, 3.01, 12,407 steps. Monday we had an hour and 20 minute bike, 1 hour and 20 minute swim, 1 hour bike, 1 hour strength, 3.07 miles. That was good. 14,570 steps. Tuesday, 1 hour, 10 minute bike, 1 hour, 20 minute swim. That was good. 3 miles, 12,124 steps. Wednesday, 1 hour, 2 minute bike, 55 minute swim, 40 minute strength. That was good. 3.02 miles, 14,052 steps. And then Thursday, we finished up making up any pieces we missed. 1 hour, 25 minute swim, 1 hour, 10 minute bike, 1 hour strength. That was good. 3.01 miles, 15,118 steps. All right, let's go weigh in. All right, last week we were at 325.2. Let's see where we're at. $316.2. Okay, here's the after for the week. All right, total loss of 9 pounds. Thrilled with that. So we'll see what next week brings. I expect a smaller weight. It's typically the way I do. I'll have a high one, low one, high one, low one. But yeah, good way to end out week 3. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button.